Hey guys, Abs here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get our HQSuggest white label software, rebrand it and sell it as your own business. And I'm going to be showing you how you can actually sell it and benefit from it in 3 crucial ways. And I'm going to be showing you some other cool things in this video as well. So anyway, in front of me, I've got a PowerPoint presentation, and each one of these boxes actually represents one of the pages, one of the sales pages or one of the lead magnet pages that you actually get with HQSuggest. So for example, you've got your lead magnet, you've got your front end, you've got your upsell page, OTO, and you've got your thank you page as well. Now, of course, as you're fully aware, you get 3 versions of the HQSuggest software. You get a free version, a standard version, and a developer version. Now, let me just show you exactly how the actual flow works, and then I'll show you some real cool tips and tricks on exactly how you can get this to do and how you can get this to work for you. So this is your lead magnet page, guys. Now, your lead magnet page is a page where you're going to send users to capture their email address or just give them the software for a download. And the way this works is when a user enters their email address, then you're going to send them the software. So there's a software there, guys, so you're sending them the software. Now, the software itself is going to be the free version. When you open up the free version, then the free version is going to automatically be upselling the front end version. But at the same time, we give you an email series, an email sequence of 6 emails. The first 2 emails that we send the user, we send them out and make them aware of the extra benefits they get with the front end version should they upgrade. We tell them about the questions and how-to features of the software that they'll be able to benefit from. Now, if they don't buy the front end version, now let's just say, for example, we've got this for 17 bucks. Okay, now if they don't buy the front end version after 2 emails, or if they haven't bought the front end version using the in-app software prompts, on the 3rd email that we send out to them, we send them over to another page, which is a duplicate of the front end page. However, it's going to be there for, let's say, $12. So we're giving them $5 off, and we're saying to them, hang on, well, we've got a 3-day special now. If you're not going to buy it for this much, well, benefit from our 3-day special and get $5 off. Now, what happens is if they buy the front end, so if they bought the front end from here, then they'll go to the OTO page. They'll get shown the OTO page, and if they haven't bought the and if they bought the front end from here, then of course they'll be redirected to the OTO page again. If they don't buy the OTO page, if they don't buy the OTO offer, let me just bring up one of these arrows here. Okay, they'll have a no thank you link on the OTO page, and what we'll do is we'll take them over to one of 2, which is where we'll actually capture their emails. So let's just have this here, capture email. I can't even spell it properly today, can I? Okay, and let me just copy this here as well. Once we capture their email, we'll actually send them over to the thank you page. Now, let's say, for example, they bought the front end version and they bought the OTO version. Fantastic stuff. What we'll do then is we'll send them, we'll capture their email address again, and we'll actually send them over to the thank you page. Now, let's say, for example, they didn't buy the OTO version. Then the software itself, the standard version, actually has an upgrade link so that users can actually see and upgrade to the OTO page as well again. So the software itself is going to be doing the prompts for you, and only the OTO version doesn't have any prompts inside of the software. I'm going to be showing you this in a moment as well, and it's in a non-intrusive manner, guys, altogether. So as you can see, it's a full-blown circle. It's fully made and fully designed to capture leads, to make money, and really keep everyone within there. So you send traffic to the lead magnet gets them onto the email series, guys. Once on the email series, then they're going to be upselling that. We're going to be upselling the software, really nicely crafted emails. At the same time, the software, when they're going to use it, that's going to be upselling them as well. If they don't buy within the first 2 emails, then we actually send them over a special offer to really entice them to buy, and it's been working fantastic. As you can see by my own statistics, guys, we've got a 10% conversion for the front end, and we've got a 50% conversion for the OTO, which means every 1 out of 2 users that are buying the front end version are buying this OTO version here, and you can benefit from exactly the same thing as well. So anyway, guys, this is how that works. Now let me show you the software and show you exactly what I mean. So oh yeah, one more thing as well, guys. So there's actually 3 ways you can benefit from this. You can send traffic directly to the lead magnet page, give away the software free of charge, get the emails, get them on your email sequence, and really bring them through to this funnel. Alternatively, you can, if you've got an email list, for example, or you want to start sending traffic directly to the front end version, then as you know, it's already selling, and as you know, it's already converting at 10% for us, then you can actually send traffic to the front end version. They'll buy the front end version, see the OTO, oops, see the OTO and go through the whole funnel. Alternatively, they'll get the lead magnet and then go through that way as well. So it's entirely up to you. If you think that you can give it away for free, which is going to be easier, then go away and do it that way, which I personally believe it is. Alternatively, if you've got a nice list or you've got some nice traffic, Facebook traffic or whatever, guys, send it over to your front end versions or even your lead magnet as well. Now, the third way, guys, that I haven't mentioned to you is you can actually make this software available on torrent sites. You can go out there and use software submission sites, so XML pad, whichever sites accept pad submissions, and really go out there and get juicy backlinks, get your software known and shown in front of the masses, and really have them work with the software, knowing that when they work with it, it's going to be upselling all of these, even though they're not on your email list. Now let me show you exactly how this works, because I know this might be confusing to a number of you guys. So here's the keyword tool in front of me, guys. We've got 3 versions here. I'm going to start off with the free version. The free version, I haven't registered it yet, so I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So just imagine if you made this available, this free version here, free of charge on a download side. You've just found this now. How are you expected to register it? I'm going to show you now. I'm going to double click the keyword tool. It's asking me for a name and email. So I'm going to enter my name here, Abbas Ravji. I've actually already registered this, guy, so I'm really hoping it's going to allow me to register it. Or what I might do is might just change my email. So I'll do a.h.medravji@gmail.com. Now my email address is actually ahmedravji@gmail.com. With Gmail you can put periods in between them, and it'll actually go to the same email address. Our database doesn't recognize it like that because it's, you know, it's case sensitive, it matches the case, so it's going to allow me to enter a new email. I'm going to click on register now, and now what the software is going to do is going to go over to my database, so over to your database if it's your version, and it's going to say registered successfully, please follow the email that's been sent to you via email. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to click on here. As you can see, I've got a keyword, I've got an email here. As you can see, I've actually got 2 emails, and the reason behind it, one was 8 minutes ago because I was just testing it out. Okay, and here's the license details here. So I'm going to copy these license details. Okay, I'm going to go back over to this tool. Okay, I'm going to double click the tool again. It's the same free tool, and this time I'm going to click on already have a license. Click here. I'm going to enter my name here, Abbas Ravji. I'm going to click on, I'm going to enter my email ID here, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to copy this license ID as well. Now everything is done for you guys, so when you get your copy, you're going to be able to, you know, your version is going to be fully set up for this. I'm going to click on register now. As you can see, that's fully registered. Fantastic stuff. The very first thing that happens is a splash page opens, because the software has been on free versions, guys. The software allows you to open up a splash page. So this could be a CPA offer, it could be your opt-in list. So let's just say, for example, you made this available free of charge on software sites and you want users to go ahead and actually opt into your list. So you could have the splash page as your opt-in list if you wanted to. Anyway, so this is the software, guys. As you know, you've got an area to enter your logo, which is fantastic. You can enter your own app name here. So where it says your app name, it would be something like HQSuggest or keyword tool. You can have powered by your own domain as well, which is clickable as well, guys. So you've got your logo, your own name there, and your own powered by text there as well. And your logo is real cool. Now, let me just show you how these in-app prompts work. So anyway, this is the free version. The free version allows users to work with the keyword research features, okay, A to Z, and Z, and A to Z keyword, and keyword plus A to Z. What it doesn't do though, it doesn't allow users to work with questions. So it says questions, this is a free version. To get access to this feature, you need to upgrade your license. Okay then, let me click on yes. When I click on yes, then what it does, it takes me over to the front end version of the software. This now allows me to go through, again guys, you get all these pages, you get all this copy, everything's absolutely done for you. You get these professional videos that are going to be working for you as well. So you get absolutely everything in this. All you have to do is, you know, basically change the names of these. There's only one real image in there you need to change, and the rest is just text. And I actually show you how you can get this done using programs like just Notepad. You don't even need to use something like Dreamweaver. Anyway, so it goes over to the front end version. If they don't, every time they actually make an action that doesn't allow them to work with it on the free version, then they're going to be prompted. They'll get a prompt on the how-to as well, okay, and they'll get a prompt on the search, and they'll get a prompt on the settings. However, they're allowed to work with keyword suggestions. So I can click on SEO, and I can click on let's do keyword A to Z, and I can click on start, and straight away it's going to start scraping for us, and it's going to start scraping for your user, sorry, I should say. And of course, it all depends on the settings, but they don't actually have access to the settings here because it's only a free version. But as you can see, this is actually going through all the search engines here, doing the one keyword. It's already found 598 keywords, guys. you know, HQSuggest is flawless. We've got thousands and thousands of users. So one thing you can be assured, you can be sure of, guys, is that, you know what, the software works. It's got full social proof. It's been tested as well. I'm going to actually show you these keywords as well, guys. This is the free version. It's generating these free keywords for us. So as you can see, we've got hundreds and hundreds of keywords just using the one keyword. And this is what your users will expect as well, guys. And you know what, you can expect to give them an application that actually works and does this as well. So let me exit out of here and let me show you this presentation one more time. So that's the free user here, guys, the free version. The free version is always going to be selling the front end version. Now let me show you the front end version and show you what the front end version looks like. Now this is already registered for me. Okay, so I'm going to go to the standard version. I'm going to click on keywordtool.exe and I'm going to open it up. It still says your app name there, and that's because obviously it's there to show you how you can rebrand it. So with the standard version, you can work with the keywords, okay, and you get all your features here as well. You can also work with all the questions, okay, and you can also work with all the how-tos as well. You get the search features in here, you got the settings features in here as well. And we didn't, because these are users that are paid, we didn't want to actually give them prompts to keep upgrading and be, you know, and really not let them work with the software properly. So what we've done a nice silent upgrade link towards the top. So all users have to do, if they've already bought the front end version and not the OTO version, is click the upgrade license. When they click upgrade license, and as you can see, oops, let me just press pause. As you can see, it takes them over to the upgrade page. And of course, guys, this is only done for a demo. But as mentioned to you, these are the actual pages that you get yourself as well. You get the exact copy, you get the whole licensing system, you get absolutely everything you need. So anyway, this is the standard version. As you can see, it's got an upgrade link there. Let me exit out of here, guys, and let me show you this developers version. The developers version is this version here. So it's the full version and the most complete version. And inside of this version, guys, you don't get any upgrade links or anything like that whatsoever. As you can see, no upgrade links. They also get a spin syntax area, search function, a settings function. They've got suggestions, questions, how-tos. They also get more benefits and features to benefit from here as well. And of course, with the search engine, you can just select and deselect them. So anyway, this can be yours, guys. And honestly, you only need less than 2 full funnel sales to make your money back. That's based on you selling this for $27 as the upsell, and then $17 as the front end. But of course, you can play around with these prices, guys, until it works best for you for actual conversions. But as standard, you should find the sales copy, the videos, and the software do all the selling for you at this price here. Now, just before I forget, guys, I've got one more thing that I want to show you as well, and how you can actually get software, how you can actually get backlinks, and how you can really give yourself a boosting start with this. So I've actually gone over and found a Fiverr gig here. Look at this. It says, I will create and submit a pad file to 300 high PR software sites. And it's actually showing the kind of ranking proof that they're able to get using this gig. It only costs $5. It's already had 168 buyers. And just in case you're thinking, let's change this over to US dollars. Okay, it should be $5. And just in case you're thinking, well, you know what, this might be a very old gig, let's just take a look at the reviews. Only 19 hours ago, guys. Okay, 1 month ago, 2 months ago. But as you can see, they're getting feedback from only 19 hours ago. These are gigs that are being done, guys. The average response time is about 9 hours. And you can literally take our HQSuggest software, rebrand it, upload it onto your server, give the software away for free on these sites, guys, knowing that when you do give away the free version, then not only are users going to be opening up and landing on the splash page that the software has been coded to start off with, but they're also going to be prompted and get sent to your front end pages every time they actually work with the software. So it's really cool, it's really straightforward, and it's actually fully designed to make you money, guys. And you can get access to this for a very limited time. We've only got a few more days left on this offer, guys, so I really hope you can take this up. We've already had a number of you guys take us up on this, but as you can see, you get absolutely everything done for you, including, and which is the most important part, an application that users absolutely love using. So anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoy working with this. Thank you very much.